So as you can see, the evaporator is also located inside the dashboard. So that's why I have removed the dashboard. So this is part of the AC system. This is the blower. This is the blower motor. So as you can see now, this is the AC condenser. We have changed. This is the new one. So we need to change. This is the AC compressor. This is the old one, and this is the new one. So as you can see, there's a black mold in the system that locked the compressor. So the compressor cannot turn, so it spoiled all the system. So we need to change the compressor, the condenser, so that the AC system will make clean. So this is the new compressor that we are about to fix. And this is the compressor oil. This is the expansion valve. This is the expansion valve, and this is the AC pipes. So as for the AC pipes, we will change everything. Since the old system got spoiled, we can't use this pipe to fix for the new AC compressor. So we have to change everything so that AC will work. And the reason why I removed the dashboard is this is the evaporator, this is the new one, this is the new one, and this is the old one. So you put it inside the case, the evaporator case. So this is the evaporator core. You put it inside, then you fix it inside the dashboard. Then everything will work well.